Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own custom feed on Bluesky Social. For example, right here guys, you can see I made a feed just for fried chicken. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. It's really easy and simple. Let me actually open this in a new tab. So we're going to start off afresh. So what we're going to be doing guys is we're going to be using this website. Let me close all this. So you will not be seeing these things if you're doing this for the first time. You'll not be able to see all this. So what you're going to be doing is coming here and click on feed builder, okay, and then click on add a new field. So you'll be creating a new feed, and then you can change the name for your feed. So what shall we name it? We shall name it Ronaldo, okay? Let's say you're a Ronaldo fan and you want things related to Ronaldo. So we're going to be searching anything that has to do with Cristiano. I think there's a H here. Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay? So anyone who's been saying Cristiano Ronaldo will be coming into our field. So right here, guys, you can see some error messages. This is probably because no one has said Cristiano Ronaldo in the last 3 hours. So I'm going to change this to like 7 days. And your feed should show people who have said Cristiano Ronaldo in the last 7 days. So here we go. This person and this person said Cristiano Ronaldo in 7 days. Or you can do Merry Christmas, right? Merry plus Christmas. So anyone who said Merry Christmas in the past 7 days will show up in your feed, right? And it's really that easy and simple. You can go ahead and create new feeds if you want. So this is all the Merry Christmases. As you can see, there's a lot of them right here. And then I can go ahead and click on create a new feed. And then, so this is, for example, this is an example. Everyone who said hello world will be showing up in your feed. So you just come here, change the feed name, and change the text. And then you'll be able to create your custom feeds. You can change the theme if you want it to be better. So you just come here to skyfeed.app, log in to your Bluesky account, come here, click on add account, and then just log in, and you can create your own feeds just like this, guys. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.